Hello everybody, special edition for you this afternoon. This is a 2020 Land Rover Discovery Landmark. This is the 3-litre SD V6 engine, finished in Santorini Black, and black and black everywhere else as well, so it really does look very, very well indeed. We've got the 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels there, not a mark on them, very shiny. Privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards. And then we've got the full ebony interior leather as well. And of course, what a day to be showing you, a sliding panoramic roof. Stunning car. It's coming up to 2 years old. The car's only covered 16,321 miles. It's got the reversing camera, parking sensors, satellite navigation, and also your terrain response if you are taking the car off-road. Heated front seats to go with that full leather. Meridian surround sound system. What a piece of kit. So if you'd like any further information on the car, please give the sales team a call. We're all on hand. We'd love to welcome you down to have a look at the car in the flesh, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.